Concrete has always been a popular building material for its durability. But what if concrete could heal itself? Self-healing concrete is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform the construction industry. By using special additives, self-healing concrete can repair cracks on its own, increasing the lifespan of structures. This innovative solution has the potential to save time and money on maintenance costs. Imagine a world where bridges, roads, and buildings can repair themselves. The concept behind self-healing concrete is inspired by biological systems. It mimics the way our body's cells repair damage, but in this case, concrete does the healing. The process typically involves adding healing agents to the concrete mix. When cracks form, these healing agents are activated and fill the gaps. Self-healing concrete can significantly reduce the need for repairs and replacements. This technology could have a positive impact on sustainability by creating longer-lasting structures. Imagine the environmental benefits of fewer construction materials being used over time. Self-healing concrete is just one example of how innovation is shaping the future of construction. Engineers and scientists are continuously exploring new ways to enhance the properties of concrete. Self-healing concrete is still in the early stages of development, but its potential is promising. The construction industry is constantly evolving, and self-healing concrete is at the forefront of these advancements. As we look to build more resilient infrastructure, self-healing concrete offers a glimpse into what the future may hold. Exciting developments in materials like self-healing concrete are paving the way for stronger, more sustainable structures. Stay tuned to learn more about the latest innovations in construction and engineering. Subscribe to our channel for updates on self-healing concrete and other groundbreaking technologies in the industry. Together, we can build a more resilient and sustainable future with self-healing concrete. The future of long-lasting structures is here, and it's self-healing concrete.